Okay, guys, homework help for October 24th. This one should be pretty easy. I'm going to see if I can make this pretty small. Okay, so we do 9 times x is 9x. 9 times negative 2 is minus 18 equals 72. We add the 18, because if I was making teams, this would be a number team, and a letter team, so that's the only one that stays. So we get 9x's equal 90. Top versus bottom, the 9. And x equals 90 divided by 9, which is 10. Okay, number 2. 3/4 x equals 12. We use top versus bottom. The 4 kills the 4, and the 3 kills the 3, so we got to do 4 and 3 over here. Boom, boom. X equals 12 times 4 is 48 on top, and on bottom we have 3 times 1 is 3. And if you do that in your calculator, 48 divided by 3 is 16. Okay, number 3, we make teams first. Number team, letter team, number team. So when I make sides, this is going to be my blue side. This is going to be where these guys go, so I got to add 3 and get him out of there. Where x divided by 6 equals 8. I need a top 6 to kill the bottom 6, so I put another 6 over there, and x equals 8 times 6 is 48. Okay, let's see. This is the ones, the tens, the 100 spot. From the 85, I'm going to subtract 8 because it's not covered, and from the 100, I'm going to subtract 10 because it's not covered, and we are at, what is that, 77 90ths? And there we go, 77 90ths. I'm going to estimate these. The square root of 26, I don't know, but close is, the pink number that is close is the square root of 25. And I don't know 62, but I do know 64. And I'm not going to multiply 3 times pi. A good estimation for pi is just 3. So here we go. Square root of 25 is 5, plus square root of 64 is 8, divided by 3 times 3 is 9. That's 13 ninths. Is 13 ninths bigger than 1? Yeah, 9 goes into 13 more than 1 time. 8 ninths is smaller than 1. 9 ninths is equal to 1. Anything bigger than 9 is bigger than 1. So yeah, that's true. All right, 6. Is it a function? No, if I draw my straight up and down line test, I hit all the points. All the points in the blue line are on top of each other. That's illegal for functions. You cannot have points right on top of each other. That's the test. So nope. Slope, undefined. Equation, this is the y-axis. I can go a little bigger now. This is this is the x-axis. This is x is -1, x is -2. If I just make that x is -2 line bigger, that's the whole line itself. So this is x equals -2. Function, the red line, I do the vertical line test. Just hits it once. Yeah. Function, yes. Slope, 0. It's flat. Okay, this is the y-axis. This is y is 1, 2, 3, 4. If I just make that line bigger, that's the line. So it's the y equals 4 mark is where this thing is. Equation is y equal 4. Pink slope. Is it a function? Yes. Good. Slope. Let's see. What is the slope between any one of these points? Down 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1 equals, we don't write 1s on the bottom. The slope is -1. The equation, y equals -x. We don't write 1s. Y equals -x minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Number 9. We have to write the equation. This one goes up 4. This one goes over 2. 4 halves is 2. So once we know the slope is 2, 4 divided by 2, we say y equals 2x. I gave you the begin on blue number is 4. I'm just going to say the equation is y equals 2x plus 4. Let's see. I'm not going to write it. I want to see if you just are copying my writing. Okay, this one. goes up 12. This one goes over 3. So 12 thirds equals 4. So once we know the slope is 4, y equals 4x, then we test it. We're saying that our y is the same thing as 4 of our x's. Let's check that out. We take our x's, we multiply it by 4, that's 12. Nope, but my y is only 5. So if I want those to be the same, I have to minus 7 after that. And that's the equation. All right, this one goes up 1, goes over 3. Don't say that this slope is 3. This slope is 1/3. We do the same thing even though it's a fraction. Y equals 1/3 x. Okay, this says my y should be the same as 1/3 of my x, or if I divide my x by 3. Okay, 1/3 of 6 is 2. If I divided 6 by 3, that's 2. Is 2 2? Yes, it is. We don't have to add anything. That's the equation. Done. We don't plus 0. This thing starts right at 0. Okay, let's see. 11, 12. Y is the same thing as 5x's minus 4. So I'm going to take out this y, and I'm going to substitute in 5x's minus 4. Equals 11x's minus 40. All right, let's zoom in. Let's make this pen smaller and zoom in. Okay. I'm going to make my teams. I'm going to say this is this guy. I'm going to make this the blue side. I'm going to make this the red side. So this guy's got to leave this side and come over here. This guy's got to leave this side and come over here. Dead. 36 equals 6 x's divided by 6. X equals 6. Okay. And it says my y should be 5 of my x's minus 4. So 5 6's minus 4. 30 minus 4 is 26. The answer is 6/26. All right, 13. Okay, y is the same thing as 2x's plus 1. So I take out this y right here. I'm going to take him out. And I'm just going to write the same equation, but with 2x plus 1 instead of y, because they're the same thing. So 2x plus 3, 2x plus 1 equals 19. Now I got to do my Starbucks list. 3 times 2x is 6x. Positive 3 times positive 1 is positive 3. And the 2x comes down, equals 19. Here's where a lot of people messed up. When you have 2x's and 6x's on the same side, we're not canceling them out. We're combining them. Now we're going to make teams. Okay, we make our teams. Letter team, number team, number team. If I need I might as well make this side over here my blue side and this side over here my red side. So I'm going to subtract 3. 8x's equals 16. Divide by 8. Top versus bottom, the 8. X equals 2. I'm going to go back and say y's are just 2 of my x's plus 1. So 2 2's plus 1. Y is equal to that. Y is equal 4 plus 1. Y equals 5. 2, 5. Okay, over here I need one of the, number 14, I need one of the columns to kill itself off. I could have the y's kill each other off if this was just twice as big. So I'm going to take this whole equation and make everything twice as big. So instead of 3x's, 6x's. Instead of 2y's plus 4y's. Instead of 21, I've got 42's. Why is that important? So now when I add the columns 2x's and 6x's, I have 8x's. Negative 4y's and positive 4y's, they're dead. Negative 2 and positive 42 is positive 40. When I top versus bottom the 8, x equals 5. All right, so we have x equals 5. Now I just got to plug it into one of the equations. I'll do 3x's plus 2y's equals 21. But I know x's are 5s, so 3 5's plus 2y's is 21. 15 plus 2y's equal 21. So there's a number, there's a number, there's a y team. Let's make our tables, write the equal sign. The guy that needs to take the hike is the 15. So minus 15, minus 15. 2y's equals 6. That's top versus bottom, the 2. And y equals 3. So the answer is 5, 3. All right, there we go.